So tonight, you get arrested like I told you for obstructing official business.
I didn't get arrested.
All right, so
you didn't even read me my rights.
I did.
Write it now before I
bring you
sign
down.
it. That you slammed me on my neck.
Right, I'm gonna write that in the report. I don't have room for all that.
Well, write it at that top line.
That's
right
not
there.
how it works.
That's what you gotta write. If I'm not signing that.
You don't have to sign it.
Okay, and I'm not going to no court.
If you don't, I mean, just
You're
finish
not
this.
even, okay.
So I'm gonna do a report, okay? So you can request
a citation is not no damn court date. For one, for two, you didn't even read my Miranda rights.
On August 19th, 2023, Ohio officers detained pregnant woman following a reported assault. The footage presents 3 permanent constitutional questions examined in sequence.
What are you doing? Stop. When somebody tells you to stop, you stop.
Put your hands behind your back. Right now.
It's ridiculous.
You just slammed a pregnant woman. That's ridiculous.
You should have stopped.
No, you don't slam nobody pregnant. What are you out of breath for? What did I do? I didn't do anything wrong.
27, we have her detained in front of 1423 Lakewood.
52, what's your name? What's your name that slammed a pregnant woman?
Roman.
I'm Johnson.
No, you're not. No, you're a city worker. You're a city worker. You can stand me up.
That's fine. Ready?
Okay,
Let's go.
yeah. Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Gently, because I am pregnant. Go, please.
We're gonna walk back.
You're a woman. You don't slam no. You don't slam no woman that's pregnant.
Oh, you should have just stopped.
Yes, I'm. No, you don't slam no pregnant woman.
Nobody knows you're pregnant.
Yes, they do. I told him before he even touched me.
You didn't say anything
Yes,
about
I
it.
did.
Let's go.
Yeah, yeah, I did. You arrested me for it. You can let my arm go. I can walk.
No.
Let my arm go.
No.
Well, you don't have to hold me.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. That's illegal. You don't have to touch me.
It's our policy.
No, it's not.
Take it up with the
I
department.
will take it up with the FBI.
All right.
So I'm fine with that.
Sure.
Sure. Yes, sir. And so is Lakewood. Let my arm go.
No.
Let my arm go. Or let the lady hold me, because ain't no man supposed to be holding me. Thank you too much.
Is this yours?
No, that ain't my shit. Your name is not Johnson. You are not black.
9-4
Your name is not Johnson. That is a fake uniform you wear.
9-4 what?
Ma'am, I ain't answering your question because you're not a real cop. You a city worker. But you're not a real cop. That's giving out information that do not belong to you. You're not a cop. Your name is not Deluxe. You look Hispanic. You're
you can have your opinion.
Okay, Alejandro. Alejandro Hernandez, okay. Y'all didn't have to slam me either or do none of that. And I'm pregnant and I'm suing your department and I swear to God on my mom. And if y'all don't call the FBI, y'all cannot sustain me. You cannot arrest me or nothing. If you want to take me to Lakeside, we could go there. And that's some guaranteed fact.
Lakeside, what?
Lakeside what? You don't know the FBI because you guys work with them. Yes, you do. You don't know because your name's not Johnson. And you're wearing a fake one too. Yes, you are. Your camera not even on.
That is.
No, it's not. Hers ain't either.
Stay right here.
I'm not going nowhere. You don't gotta touch me. Your name is not Johnson. You are a white woman.
Stop.
You are a white woman. Your name is not Johnson.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Yeah, you don't have to touch me. Let him touch me. You can touch me. She can't. I don't want her to touch me.
Neither of us have to touch
Okay, then let me go. I'm not going nowhere. She don't have to touch me. Okay, I'm pregnant.
Okay.
Who knows if yours or yours? Since y'all want to play crazy.
What's going on?
Give my purse. Go get my purse because I'm taking my property.
Okay, can you just...
I'm calm. No.
For you? Alright then, okay then.
Your officer just slammed me, bruh.
Okay, I was
you crazy?
not here.
No, bro, that's not cool.
Okay? Look,
I don't have to stop because y'all city workers, y'all not police.
I'm done trying to talk.
You're not. Your name's not Johnson. All right, Dulick. Your name's Dulick. Go ahead.
Officer Dooley.
Dulick, no, it's not.
You can have your opinion.
I know it's not.
What's going on?
I don't want to talk to you. Just give my purse, please.
You said you need an ambulance?
No, I told him the one girl hit me first, and that's not her car. If you run a VIN number, it's under my name, who is under. I ain't even
We're
gotta
just
go
here
there.
for medical stuff.
Okay,
we don't
that's
care
fine.
about what happened.
Yes.
Like, do you need an
Yes,
ambulance?
I do.
What
And
do
I
you
want
need
my purse
What do you need it
in
for?
my property. Because I'm pregnant and that man just slammed me. The officer just slammed me, for one. And for two, I'm not going to Lakewood Hospital.
So what do you want us to do?
Take me to another hospital. I ain't going to Lakewood Hospital.
What's wrong with Lakewood?
I don't want to go to Lakewood Hospital.
Where do you want to go?
Any hospital but Lakewood.
Why?
Because I don't want to. I don't have to go to Lakewood Hospital. Can you get my purse, please, and take me to the hospital so I can check on my kid?
Sure. Is this your first pregnancy?
No, sir.
Okay.
See, there's stretch marks on my stomach, and I told him I was pregnant before he even slammed me. There was no reason for him to even slam me.
So how do you know these people up there? You don't know
Those
them at
people
all?
are not, that's not their car. That's not their car at all. I've been in that car, I've been chilling in that car for days. That is not their car. That is not their vehicle. They just put up out of nowhere. That girl is lying her ass off.
So you don't know her at all?
No, and she put her hands on me and I want to press charges. And if y'all don't press charges, then listen.
Why would she randomly go in the car?
Why would she randomly go in the car if I'm sitting in the car? I'm sitting in the car. Why would I sit in the car that don't belong to me?
I don't know.
That's what I'm asking.
Issue 1. Use of force. Graham versus Connor, 489, United States. 386, 1989 requires force to be objectively reasonable under 3 factors: severity of the crime, immediacy of threat, and degree of resistance. The alleged offense here is simple assault, a misdemeanor under Ohio Revised Code, section 2921.36. No weapon was reported. The subject was not fleeing when contact was made. Multiple officers were present. Under Graham, none of these factors independently supports hard, empty-hand force. The dispositive element is the subject's verbal declaration of pregnancy before the takedown. Ohio courts, applying Graham, treat known medical vulnerability as legally operative in the force calculus. This takedown does not withstand objective reasonableness review.
Right, I don't got no record. You can't do shit to me. You can take these handcuffs off me. Like I said, that girl put her hands on me and I want to press charges, flat out.
What's your name?
I don't want to go to Lakewood Hospital. So y'all can get robbed for all.
Alright, we're gonna work with you, but you gotta work with us. Like, we won't take
What's
you
your
to
name?
Lakewood. I'm Ben.
And what's your name? And what's your last name?
plate.
Why do you need your last name?
Why do you want it?
Because you're a patient if we're gonna be taking
The hospital's
you.
going to need your
I'll
information.
give it to the hospital when they give me,
So we also need it for our report.
You're good.
that car's not in their name, so don't even lie and say it is. Because you know it's not. If you run the VIN number, it's not in
If
their
you want to
name.
go to the hospital, you at least got to give them their information to give to the hospital.
I'll type it if you want to handcuff me.
No, I'm not
Because it's,
unhandcuffing
well, loosen
you.
it up a little bit because
No,
it's
I'm not
taking the
unloosening them
circulation
right
off my wrist. Please.
Let me see where they're at.
They're tight as
You can fit a finger in each of them.
Can you please loosen it a
I'm
little
not
bit?
loosening them, no.
I'm not going to get them off or
I'm
nothing.
not loosening them, no. Are you going to answer their
No,
questions?
just take me.
But they're not going to take you unless you answer their
I'll
questions.
type it in for you.
They're not
You
typing
tell
it.
me, I'm going to type it.
I get you're upset. I understand. But we did
If I lost my baby, I'm killing this flat out, and I don't give a and you hear me, right?
I hear you.
I know. Because
Everything's
if it
getting
was your kid,
recorded.
what would you do?
Everything's getting
If
recorded.
it was your kid, what would you do? Your
Alright,
camera's not on.
Yes, it is.
Oh, good.
Right.
When's your birthday?
Because you don't give a about kids. You probably.
When's your birthday?
You want us to check you out in the ambulance where so it's a little more private?
I want these handcuffs off me if I'm going in your ambulance. Because I don't need no handcuffs on me if I'm going in the
That's
ambulance.
up to them.
Can you please remove the handcuffs so I
No.
can go in the ambulance?
You can go in the ambulance. You're staying with the handcuffs.
I'm not staying with no handcuffs on, bruh. You don't have, if I'm going in the ambulance, I don't need no handcuffs.
Yes,
Please
you
remove
do.
these handcuffs off me. No, I don't.
Yes.
No.
You've given me no reason to take those off.
Well, I'm asking her to remove them.
Then
'cause
she's
I'm
not gonna remove 'em.
Well, somebody is, because I'm
No.
not going with no handcuffs on. These are tight. Then loosen them
They're
up.
not tight.
Yes, they are.
They're not tight. They're just not
Look.
comfortable. I can fit a
Duh.
finger in both of them.
That's what I'm telling you. Loosen it
I can
up.
fit a finger through
Loosen
both.
the cuffs up,
I'm not
bruh.
loosening the cuffs up.
Man, can you please loosen these cuffs up? Like, for real. Stop acting like you don't hear me.
So we can go over to the ambulance, but they got to
Not
stay
this
on.
tight. Not this tight. I can't. I don't have no circulation in my wrist. It's too tight.
Listen, they have a rule that if they can fit a finger in, they're
No,
good.
they don't have no rule like that. Who the made the rule?
Why are you
Because
asking
that's
this
not
question?
no
You know
rule.
what's gonna
Man, let's go, man. Let's go.
Let's go.
This ain't happening.
Perfect. Well, let's get that taken
You
care
don't
of. You're
have
worried
to
about
touch me.
handcuffs.
You don't have to touch me. Little ass bitch. When I see you on the street, I'm beating your ass,
I'm
huh?
not doing that.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Let's go.
You stop.
Stop.
Get my
Stop.
purse.
Let's go.
Get my purse.
Let's go.
Get my purse. Get my purse.
Let's go. Let's go.
Can you get my purse for me?
I will, but I have to help you up.
How can I go up with handcuffs on my
I'm
neck?
holding you. That's why I'm
Bro,
holding you.
They just slammed me. I can't even move my leg.
I am helping you up the stairs.
You're not helping me by not moving my leg. I need you to move my leg. Ain't shit in my purse.
They got to inspect and make sure there's no weapons.
Did you
I can't lift my leg. Like, seriously, I can't. You want to check my titty too?
No.
Want to check my pussy? This is not how they shirt. Okay. Ma'am, I ain't got no weapons. Just help me lift my leg so I can get in the damn truck, please. I can't lift my leg up. Really, because I got slammed on my knee. I'm dead ass serious. I'm not trying to be friendly.
How do you want me? You want me to
That's not
lift
same
you?
David Father last name Johnson. Like, help me lift my knee because I can't feel it.
Ready?
Please? No, I'm not good. I can't lift my leg up. Y'all can't even help me.
How about we kind of give you a lift
Can you
up?
please just take it off for a second and put it back
can't,
on?
no.
I can't get up here.
I'll put you on the bed. Alright,
Thank
go back
you.
down.
So, we'll say girl in the hat. We'll say she's female A.
Okay.
Girl in the
A, B.
A and B. A came up in the Silver Kia
Okay.
to meet her partner B, who works at
Okay.
B. That's her red
That's
Cobalt.
the B is red cobalt. Okay.
So she's the only red Cobalt. A sees a female who she believes B is in the Cobalt. So she walks over to say, "Hey, you're already off work. What are you doing? What's up?" Realizes it's her. And says, "Hey, you're in my partner's car."
Yeah.
Take these handcuffs off. No! Take these handcuffs off. For real.
Yes.
Take these handcuffs off of
We
me.
cannot. I can
Please.
fit fingers in there.
Please loosen them up a little bit.
No. I can fit two
Hell
fingers.
no.
That's not how
Take
it works.
these handcuffs off of me.
No, we're not.
If you take them off, yeah.
You
When we
can't. I
get
have
there,
the
take
key.
them off. When we get there, can you take them off then, please?
I will take one off.
Can you take both off when we
No.
get there, please? You're not allowed to sustain me with no handcuffs to take me to the hospital after you just slammed me.
Right,
And I'm
right
pregnant.
now, you're under arrest.
I'm not under arrest. I don't even have a
You are
warrant.
under
No,
arrest.
I don't. No, I don't.
Where are we going, guys? Fairview, okay?
I don't care where you take me as long as you take these handcuffs the off me.
You want to stay closer to the lake?
Well, I don't want to go to the
You'll speed everything
you'll get
up.
in and out
tight.
quicker.
Dude, this is too tight.
I can fit
That
fingers
shit
in there.
hurts. Look at my hands.
They're not made for comfort. It's not a
No,
Gucci
take this
watch.
shit off
Too
of me.
bad.
Man, take this shit the off me, bro. For real, take this shit off me. This shit
Fairview
is
or
too
Lakewood?
tight.
Where do you want to go?
Not Lakewood.
We're going to Fairview.
I don't care where you go. Just take this shit off me.
You're good. I'll follow you right up there.
Issue 2. Detainee care. The subject made sustained, specific complaints of circulatory loss in both wrists. The officer cited a one-finger clearance standard. That standard is not a final determination. IACP model policy on restraint requires double locking after application and documented reassessment upon reported numbness. Neither occurred. Kingsley versus Hendrickson, 576 United States, 389, 2015, established that 14th Amendment claims by pretrial detainees are reviewed under objective unreasonableness, the same standard as the for itself. A pregnant detainee reporting circulatory compromise following a takedown triggers reassessment. Verbal dismissal does not satisfy that. Obligation. Issue 3. Miranda. Miranda versus Arizona, 384 United States. 436, 1966, requires advisement before custodial. Interrogation begins. The trigger is twofold. Custody and questioning about the incident. Both were present the moment the subject was restrained. Officers questioned her about the assault, her identity, and her version of events while she remained in handcuffs on a public street. The advisement was not delivered until the citation exchange after all substantive questioning concluded. Under the exclusionary rule from Mapp v. Ohio, 367 United States, 643, 1961, statements obtained during that pre-Miranda window are presumptively inadmissible. A. Suppression motion on these facts has substantial basis in clearly established law.
So with us, we're going to give you a citation, all right, with a mandatory court date.
Citation don't have mandatory court dates, but okay, I heard you.
Okay, if you have questions, you can just ask them at the end, okay?
Okay, I'll go up in the next one.
Okay, so this is going to be the citation. This is our charging document. So tonight, you got arrested, like I told you, for obstructing official business.
I didn't get arrested.
All right, so
you didn't even read me my rights, so
I'm going to read it to you, and then, you know, again.
I'm not signing that.
Okay, that's
but
fine.
You could give it to me though.
So you do have a mandatory
Did you,
court date?
no, make sure you write that you slammed me too. I ain't signing that unless you put you slammed me on there.
So down here at the bottom, there's a report. Okay, I'm gonna do a report on this where I will highlight that
No,
I did
write
use
it now
force to
before I
bring
sign
you
it.
down.
That you slammed me on my neck.
Right, I'm gonna write that in the report. I don't have room for all that.
Well, write it at that top line.
That's
right
not
there.
how it works.
That's what you about to write. If I'm not signing that.
You don't have to sign it.
Okay, and
So-
I'm not going to no court.
If you don't, I mean, just
You're
finish
not
this.
even- okay, go
So
ahead.
I'm gonna do a report. Okay. So you can
A
request this.
citation is not no damn court date. For one. For two, you didn't even read my Miranda rights. Anybody going to no damn court date?
Okay. So if you choose not to,
Citations are not court dates. For one. Citations are not court dates.
Okay.
And you have to send that in the mail.
Okay.
And that's not a f***ing court date. That is a ticket that you wrote on.
Right.
You look stupid.
Okay.
No offense. That's dumb. That don't.
No
that's
offense.
Not how,
no offense
that's
taken.
not how citations work.
Sure.
Do you know what a citation is?
No.
A citation is a warning.
Okay.
That's not a court date.
Okay.
But okay.
So, if you do not show up to court, they'll put a warrant out for your arrest. If you cannot make this
Nobody
court
care
date for
about
whatever
that shit.
reason,
Get that shit out my face, bro.
you need to call the court. I'll circle the number for you on the back.
Yes.
If
when
you
you
cannot-
write down that you send me on my neck.
That'll be highlighted in the report in
No, you
detail.
gonna highlight that shit on that ticket or what? That's a ticket that you wrote out. That ain't no damn citation.
Okay. But again, if you do not show up, they will put a warrant out for you. Okay.
So?
Okay.
What is a warrant gonna do? Nothing.
Okay. So, are you refusing to sign the citation?
Duh, because
Okay.
that's not a real document.
So I'm just gonna mark in here refuse to sign.
Okay. You can leave it right in the garbage. That's where I'm gonna put it.
We'll see. So here's your citation. So I'm gonna place it right here in your bag.
It's okay. You can just leave it on the bed, baby.
No, I'm gonna put it right here in your things.
I don't want that.
I don't want it to get lost.
I'm not going to court with y'all. Y'all not even no cop. You just send me. Well, that's a whole lawsuit. I'm not going to your court date. I'm telling you right now, I'm not going because
Okay.
that's fake ass paper that you just signed on the ticket.
Okay.
And there was no obstruction of justice or nothing. And you
Okay.
lied about everything. And you're drunk. Get out my face.
Okay. So since my supervisor is gonna be doing use of force on me,
Nobody's signing
Taking
that
you down?
either. Nobody's signing no papers.
what I'd like
Didn't
to
even read your Miranda rights. Please get out my face.
what I'd like to do is have you
You need to take
sign
your little
this
handcuffs and get out my face.
so that we can review
I'm
your
not
records.
signing nothing that you have. Nothing.
Okay.
Because you did everything illegal. So I'm not signing nothing that you have. Nothing. Get out my face.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
The charge was obstructing official business under Ohio Revised Code Section 292.1.31, which requires an affirmative act, not words alone carried out with purpose to obstruct, that actually impedes lawful duties. Ohio appellate courts have consistently held that verbal protest, including profanity directed at officers, does not constitute an obstructive act. The First Amendment protects the right to verbally challenge an arrest. If this charge rests on verbal resistance rather than documented physical interference, it carries a dual deficiency: failure of the statutory act element and First Amendment overbreadth. The officer receives a D. Probable cause justified the initial stop. It does not justify what followed. 3 independent constitutional failures occurred. A takedown that fails. Graham, Miranda warnings deferred past the point of interrogation, and documented handcuff complaints dismissed without reassessment under the Kingsley standard. The subject receives a B-. She identified the Miranda violation without legal assistance and accurate observation. She did not physically resist after the takedown. Points are reduced for prolonged verbal escalation and for failing to appear in court, converting a potentially viable legal claim into an outstanding warrant. The department receives a C-. Miranda noncompliance at this level reflects a training failure, not individual error. The absence of a documented reassessment protocol for handcuff complaints indicates a systemic gap. The citation disposition, rather than full booking, demonstrates proportionate judgment and prevents a lower grade. One principle from this encounter applies broadly. Miranda is not a post-arrest courtesy, it is a prerequisite to any custodial questioning. The moment a suspect is restrained and questioned about an offense, the requirement is active. Officers who defer the advisement until booking expose all prior statements to suppression. When the charge itself depends on statements from that window, suppression does not merely weaken the prosecution, it can eliminate it entirely. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.